Hey guys, it's Will over here at Ceramic Pro Sarasota, and I want to welcome you to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Today we're focusing on window tint. Right now I'm standing in our window tint bay where we can do 2 cars at a time. Over here we're doing a new GTI, and we're doing high heat rejection window film. This isn't your grandpa's old window tint. This is high heat rejection window film. What this is gonna do, it's gonna stop 99% of the UVA and UVB rays. It's also gonna keep out around 85% of the IR heat percentage. That's called our ceramic IR film. We have a better film, and we also have a film that's not as good, that doesn't stop as much heat. So we have options for everybody. Let's take a look over at this car. While we're working on this car, we use pieces of glass here so they can actually cut out the film and set it on the glass so they can easily install it into the car. The window tint is always installed on the inside of the car. Even though when they're doing it, it looks like they're doing it on the outside, they're pretty much just getting it set in position so they can put it on the inside of the car. The way that we do window tint, everything comes from a computer. So we can actually type in the year, make, and model of the vehicle. It'll pop up and show us what the windows look like. And then we can actually print the cutout images on the film right here so that we never have to use a knife anywhere in your car. One of my favorite things about window film is gonna be when we do the windshields on cars. The windshield is gonna cut down on the most heat because it's a large piece of glass, and the way that it's angled is letting a lot of sunlight in and a lot of heat in. But what it's gonna do is gonna stop 99% of those UVA and UVB rays, which if you don't block those will destroy your dash over time. As you'll notice, Howard's right now cleaning the film, or the area where the film is gonna go. This is super important because your prep is important, because you don't want contaminants or other things trapped between the glass and the window film. One thing too that's really cool about our window tint is that we actually offer a lifetime warranty against bubbling, cracking, discoloration, and pretty much anything else that can go wrong with the window tint. One thing that's really cool about our shop is that we have 2 window tinters working at any given moment throughout the day, so that we can get you in, whether you want to wait on it here or you want to drop it off, but we can get it done pretty quickly so that we can get you moving throughout your day. Thanks for joining us for What's in the Shop Wednesday, Window Tint Edition. If you guys have any questions on window tint, feel free to put them in our comments below. Also, like us on our Facebook, Instagram, and all of our other social medias. Thanks guys, and I'll see you guys next week.